Assalamu alaikum everyone. For grade 4, this is today's our lesson, that is future continuous tense. Previously we have learned about present continuous and past continuous. Today's topic is future continuous tense. The future continuous tense, sometimes also referred to as future progressive tense, is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. So, in present continuous, we talk about the thing which are happening now. In present past continuous tense, we talk about the thing which has happened at this time in past, and in future continuous tense we refer that we indicate that indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. For example, now the future continuous is made up of two elements: the simple future of the verb to be plus present participle. When we say present participle, that means the base, that means verb and ing form. Now you can see the formation of the sentence. Subject, to be form of the verb, and the present participle. Because it is a future tense, we use will be or shall be. Example, you will be watching. In present continuous, we use I am watching or you are watching. In past continuous, we use I was watching or you were watching. And in future continuous tense, we said you will be watching, I will be staying. Now the future continuous tense positive, that means in affirmative sentence, subject plus will or shall plus be and verb first form plus ing form, that is ing form of verb and object. The example is you will be watching TV on Sunday. You will be going to picnic on Monday. You will be fighting. You will be going to see the match on Tuesday. So we can use it, these sentences, in a positive, that is affirmative way. Some more examples are: we will be shifting to a new home next year. He will be flying a kite. It will be raining tomorrow. She will be enjoying her vacation. He will be expecting honesty from his employee. She will be delivering a speech to people. Now, the future continuous tense, negative form. Subject, will she, then we will add not, be, and then verbs ing form and the object. For example, he will not be washing your clothes. Some more examples are: we will not be shifting to a new home next year. He will not be flying a kite. It will not be raining tomorrow. She will not be joining her vacations. He will not be expecting honesty from his employees. She will not be delivering a speech to people. These are the negative sentence. Now, for the interrogative one, we use future continuous tense in interrogative form, that is will, then subject, then be, form of verb, and present participle, that is verb ing form, and then object. Will you be helping the pupil? And furthermore, will we be shifting to a new home next year? Will he be flying a kite? Will it be raining tomorrow? Will she be enjoying her vacations? Will he be expecting honesty from his employees? Will she be delivering a speech to people? Now there is the examples, and you can practice it again and again. That is affirmative one. I will be staying. I will not be staying. Will I be staying? Won't I be staying? You will be staying. You won't be staying. Will you be staying? Won't you be staying? Furthermore, future continuous tense, I will be staying here until Sunday. The postman will be coming soon. So these are some of the examples. Now, what are the functions? The future continuous refers to an unfinished action and or event that will be in progress at a time later than now. The future continuous is used for quite a few different purposes. The first one is interrupted action in future. Use the future continuous to indicate that a longer action in the future will be interrupted by a shorter action in the future. Remember, this can be real interruption or just interruption in time. I will be watching TV when she arrives tonight. I will be waiting for you when your bus arrives. The future continuous can be used for predicting or guessing about future events. He will be coming to the meeting, I expect. I guess you will be feeling thirsty after working in the sun. You will be missing the sunshine once you are back in England. So these are the sentences which is predicting or guessing about the future. In the interrogative form, the future continuous can be used to ask politely for the information about future. Will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? Will Jim be coming with us? Will she be going to party tonight? Will I be sleeping in this room? Now, atmosphere in the future. Whenever we are talking in English, we often use a series of parallel action to describe an atmosphere at a specific point in future. Example, when I arrived at the party, everybody will be celebrating. Some will be dancing, other will be talking. When combined with still, the future continuous refers to events that are already happening now and we expect to continue sometime into future. In an hour, I will still be ironing my clothes. Tomorrow, he will still be suffering from his cold. Next year, will she still be wearing a size 6? Won't stock prices still be falling in the morning? Unfortunately, sea levels will still be rising in 20 years. And we can use the future continuous tense for the parallel action. When we use the future continuous with two actions in the same sentence, it expresses the idea that both actions will be happening at the same time. And these actions are parallel. Today, they will be eating dinner, discussing their plan, and having a good time. Okay, everything is happening at the same time. Tonight they will be eating dinner, discussing their plans and having a good time. Now the present continuous, planned activities already arranged. Going to, that is future continuous, and intentions, predictions, objective and real evidence, and will is unplanned future decided at the moment. Predictions, no real evidence, and promises, threats, offer. That is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.